Ever feel like you're doing everything right? Brushing, flossing, maybe braces or aligners, but still noticing jaw tension, mouth breathing, snoring, or teeth that keep shifting? Sometimes the missing piece isn't the teeth, it's function. Myofunctional therapy is like physical therapy for your mouth and face. It retrains how your tongue, lips, cheeks, and jaw work together when you rest, breathe, and swallow. Your mouth is a balance of gentle forces: tongue posture, lip seal, relaxed jaw position, and breathing pattern. When those patterns are off, muscles can influence your teeth and bite all day and night. That can show up as crowding or shifting, narrow arches, clenching, jaw tension, dry mouth, snoring, or orthodontic relapse. It doesn't mean one exercise fixes everything. It means we look beyond straight teeth and ask, what are the muscles training the mouth to do? Myofunctional therapy can support kids and adults, especially with mouth breathing, a history of tongue tie, sleep-related concerns, or tension that keeps coming back. The process is simple and coached: short daily exercises, check-ins, and steady habit building. Not painful, not a one-visit fix, more like posture training for your mouth. If you're curious whether it makes sense for you or your child, book a Teeth & Company consult. We'll explain findings and options. No pressure.